week before the baby shower, and I'm shooting and filming Homemade Simple all week, which means I have to get everything kind of organized and settled today. With Team J Kid, I wanted to walk you guys through a kind of like behind the scenes of how I put everything together and how we organize this event leading up to the big day. First things first, I always stay organized with a spreadsheet. I pretty much break down what everyone needs to do, like La Hubs needs to take care of all, beverages, alcohol, all that stuff. I'm taking care of all decor, but not only do I take care of decor, I like it organized in a way where I know what's happening at the gift table, the welcome station, dessert table, all that good stuff. You guys have seen a little behind the scenes of how I shop for fabrics, how I put all of these decor pieces together. I'll talk you through where they're gonna go on actual location. So in addition to the spreadsheet, I always like to sketch out what my welcome stations look like. Like for instance, I have a table right here. I have a sequin runner right on it. And then here is where we're doing like this really cool fringe installation. It really helps for me to visually see how everything's gonna go, because on the day of the event, sometimes I'm not the one that's installing. In order for you to kind of get the gist of the entire vibe of the baby shower, I have to talk to you guys about the theme clearly. It's Starlight and Moonbeams, and I am living for like a really boho luxe vibe full of like a starry sky, starry night, and like a really big beautiful moon themed backdrops. So the event is going to be held on the rooftop deck of this like really fabulous condo in Irvine. So since it's outdoor, I really want to create this really romantic backdrop to welcome baby girl. So the metal arch is actually a part of my daybed canopy that corroded. I'm not using it anymore, but I thought it would be such a great idea to use it as like a welcome backdrop with all of this fringe fabric, and then now we can hang it up and it almost looks like a crescent moon. I mean, I am living for this boho vibe. It's a really inexpensive way to DIY, kind of like macrame wall hanging, but this is gonna go right at the entry for our guests. We did a spontaneous maternity photo shoot last week, and I dragged Kelly out to the park just to shoot me and La Hubs, and we're actually blowing some of these pictures up. This will be kind of like our welcome to our baby shower poster with our picture on it. I'm filling in some of these empty frames with pictures from the maternity photo shoot as well. So we'll also be styling kind of a vignette at the welcome station for guests to sign in, to drop off gifts and cards and all that good stuff. We have this Glam Luxe color palette going on with silvers and golds. And I mean, look at this. I saw her at Home Goods and I literally just had to have her. It's the cutest little doll to kind of set up with our station as well. So my sister-in-law Elaine is doing all of the flowers for us, and she is a master artiste, guys. The only thing that I requested is that I wanted this boho-filled pampas grass like wonderland. So I went to so many different like design stores and floral shops. We grabbed a bunch of dry pampas grass. I found these on Amazon and eBay. I have real life pampas grass that I got at my favorite local floral shop, and of course all of these dried arrangements as well. They'll be combined with all of these really beautiful fresh flowers in a dusty mauve creamy palette. It's a very neutral vibe and it's very bohemian. So you remember all that fabric that we purchased at the fabric shop? I had Michelle cut out the fabric so we can make these strips to put on a ring. So we have the series of rings that are going to hang from the ceiling of the trellis, and as you walk underneath it, it's going to be so romantic. So we have large sizes, small sizes, and the installation is going to look super cool. I also found these dream catchers at Marshall's. Oh my gosh, they were so cheap. I want to say they were like less than $15, and they really set the mood for our moon and stars theme. and the entire pièce de résistance of the event is this really huge, like 8-foot moon backdrop that I purchased online. It's the ones that you see installed at weddings, but clearly this is for our baby shower. I'm putting this fuzzy ottoman right in front of the moon, so it's like you're kind of sitting within the moon, but you guys won't be able to see that until the day of the event. It is finally Le Havre's and my baby shower today. I'm actually taking one car full of all of these supplies and goods. All of our friends are going to meet us there to help us set up. Le Havre's has another car full of all the flowers, so I can't wait to show you all the prep work that's really involved in putting this monstrosity of a baby shower together. Okay, we've got setup crew here, and my beautiful sister made these beautiful flowers. Elaine, thank you so much. Okay guys, oh my gosh, we finally got the entire crew here. We have Sophia and Di. Thank you so much, girls. So Esther's setting up our little gift station. I have the girls right here, Panda, setting up like our little moon backdrop. We've got Mims, Elaine, Twee setting up my dessert station. Panning around, we got Jen here. Hi. Thank you so much. Trin doing all the food. Le Havre and Richie. And Elaine's still on flowers. So much stuff to do still. We finally got Lang and Tay here setting up.
Yeah, I haven't looked at it yet. They're the baby. Oh my god, so cute.
Yes. Oh my god, they're all so cute. So pretty. Now that you see all the work that goes into planning this baby shower, I cannot wait for you guys to see everything installed. See you in the next video.